In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change homepage in Odoo website. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and click on the website app. This will take you into the website editing and management area, where you can access your site pages and update important settings like which page is used as the home page. Once you're inside the website app, the next step is to navigate to the page you want to set as the new home page. If you already know where that page is, you can simply open it directly. If not, there's an easy way to find it. Go to the top left corner, click on Site, and then select Pages. This will open your full list of website pages, which is helpful if you have several pages on your site and want to make sure you choose the correct one. From that list, select the page you want to use. As soon as you click it, Odoo will take you to that page. This is a good moment to quickly confirm that you're on the right page before changing any settings, especially if your site has pages with similar names. After you've opened the correct page, go back to the top left and click Site again. This time, choose Properties. The Properties panel is where you can manage settings for the specific page you're currently viewing, including whether it should be your home page. In the Properties settings, look for the option labeled Is Homepage. Turn that switch on to mark this page as the main homepage of your website. This tells Odoo that when visitors enter your main website address, this is the page they should see first. Once you've enabled that setting, click Save. That's the final step, and your new homepage will now be active. If you want to verify the change, you can open your website's main address in a new tab and check that it loads the page you just selected. This is a simple but important update, especially when you're redesigning your site, promoting a new service, or replacing an old landing page. And that's all it takes to change the homepage in Odoo website.